Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow, and in today's video we are going to learn how to automate service booking for plumbing services via WhatsApp. So if you provide plumbing services, then manually scheduling all the bookings can be a very time consuming process. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will schedule all these bookings and automate this whole process on our behalf. Now if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, then let me take you to my screen. This is the chatbot that I've created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow that automates service booking for plumbing services via WhatsApp. Before we begin the procedure of creating this chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real-time example, and for that let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. So here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen, and to activate the chatbot, the user is supposed to send a keyword or a regex. So here I'm going to send a keyword as plumbing services. And as soon as the message gets delivered, our chatbot responds with plumbing services. Please select the plumbing service you need from the options given in the list. Tap on the list button. So I'm going to tap on the list, and here we get a list of all the plumbing services such as leak repair, pipe installation, drain cleaning and general plumbing. So I'm going to choose pipe installation and I'm going to send it. And it says, when would you like the plumbing service to be done? So here I'm going to respond with my preferred date like this. And then it is asking me my preferred time. So I'm going to send my preferred time as 5 p.m. And it is asking me for my full name for the booking. So here I'm going to use a dummy response as demo user. And then it says, please provide your contact number for confirmation. So here I'm going to provide a dummy contact number like this. And here it sends us a confirmation message saying, thank you demo user. Your plumbing service is booked for given date at given time. We will be there on time. So this is how our chatbot responds and works automatically without any manual intervention. Now if you want to create this chatbot, then we have to visit Pabbly Chatflow's website, and for that open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow, and it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. But before we begin, let me introduce you to Pabbly Community. This is our official Pabbly community. Here you can get exclusive access to real-time updates, helpful resources and support from your team and fellow users. Here you can share ideas, ask questions, and even discover latest features and tips using Pabbly applications. Here you can get real-time updates, connect with industry experts, and even ask questions and share valuable feedback. So join Pabbly community today. Now we can go back to main landing page of Pabbly Connect. If you are an existing user, click on Sign In. However, if you are a new user, click on Sign Up for free. As I am already an existing user, I will click on Sign In. And it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on Access Now, and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have Dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities and stats. Next we have is Inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up we have Contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here you can view and manage them. Then we have Team Queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up we have Template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up we have Broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have Flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have Settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations, and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs, or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow from here. Click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get two options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for Developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now to create a new flow, access the flows feature from here, and then to create a new flow, simply click on this blue button to add a flow. Here we have arrived on the flow builder page, and then our flow builder is initially named as untitled, so I'm going to name it something more relevant like automate service booking for plumbing services via WhatsApp. Here we have this trigger module in which we have trigger events. When we click on it, we get a list of all the trigger events. Here we are using keyword/regex match. It says that it triggers the flow when a user's message matches any defined keyword or regex pattern. So I'm going to click on it, and now we have to add some specific keywords which can activate the chatbot. So here I'm going to add book plumber, and once you have typed your keyword, simply press enter to register it. Then I'm going to add another keyword as plumbing service, and then I'm going to add the last keyword as fix leaks. Now these specific keywords will activate the chatbot, and here we also have an option to enter regex. Regex is a specific pattern of characters which can activate the chatbot with any given keyword. To use regex, we have to use the specific pattern, and now this will activate the chatbot with any keyword. You can also enable toggle for case-sensitive regex. Now once we are done with the basic setup, we are going to start curating our first message. And for that, I'm going to access the list feature from here. You can also access it from the message type notes. Here you got list. If you want to access it from here, you can simply drag and drop it in whatever place you want it to be. Here we have header, body and footer. So I'm going to add them one by one, and they have character limits, so make sure you add a header according to that limit. So I'm going to add a header, body and footer and show you how it works. So here I have added a header as plumbing services, and then in the body I have entered, please select the plumbing service you need from the options given in the list. And lastly, I have said tap on the list. It will appear like this to the user, and here we have the list which we are going to curate by adding all the items in it. So I'm going to add items one by one, and for that we have to access this add section. When you click on it, here you have to provide a title, and here I'm going to add services, and then I'm going to add item one by one. So here I'm going to add leak repair, and here in the description I'm going to add the charges such as rupees 600. You can add any title and any description as you want. If you want to add multiple items, simply click on add items and add your items one by one like this. Here I've added all the items and their description one by one. Now, if a user select any one of this, we want them to provide their appointment date and time. So for this, I'm going to access action type notes, and then I'm going to click on ask question, and then I'm going to drag ask question to ask the details. And here I'm going to ask, when would you like the plumbing services to be done? Here, if you want to highlight any particular text, you can add these asterisk signs which will make your text appear bold on WhatsApp. Here we are going to select contact custom field. As the name suggests, they are used to store custom fields. So as we are asking for preferred date, here I'm going to select contact custom field of date, and as format I'm going to select date. Here it is asking for number of attempts, so I'm going to provide 3 attempts. You can provide as many attempts as you want. And here I'm going to leave the validation message empty. You can add a validation message as well. Then I'm going to add another question box, and here I'm going to ask, can you please let us know your preferred time? So in the contact custom field, I'm going to select time, and as format, I'm going to select any. And then I'm going to link it to the corresponding question box. Here, I'm going to link this question box to all of the items. So whatever item user choose, they can book their appointment with it. So I have linked them all with this question box, and now I'm going to take contact details. And for that, I'm going to again add the question box, and here I'm going to ask for what's your full name for the booking. I'm going to add asterisk signs and then link it to the corresponding question box. Here, as we are asking for name, I'm going to select name as contact custom field, and as format, I'm going to select text. Again, you can add number of attempts and a validation message. Lastly, I'm going to ask for their contact number. And for that, here I'm asking, please provide your contact number for confirmation. So in the contact custom field, I'm going to select contact. Here in the format, I'm going to select any. So I have selected any because if the user sends any other text along with their contact number, it can capture it as well. Once the user has provided us all their details, I'm going to access this add tag feature. It helps us in tracking the booking in our inbox section. So to create a tag, you simply have to click on create tag, and here you have to provide a name of your tag. So here I have added plumbing service booked. I'm going to add this tag. I'm going to select the tag that we have just created as plumbing service booked. So once the user has provided us all these information, automatically it will be tagged as plumbing service booked. Now all we have to do is send a confirmation message, and for that I'm going to access the text button from here, and it says thank you $name. Now I have added $name because name was our contact custom field, and $sign will make sure that it gets replaced by the actual name of the user, and here make sure there is no space between $ and your contact custom field. Similarly, we have added $date and $time as they were contact custom fields, and they will be replaced by the actual date and time sent by the user. Now this is how we automate the process of service booking for plumbing services. If you also want to automate the process, you can follow the procedure as I've shown in this video to create this amazing chatbot. And once you have created your flow, you can save it from here, and once the flow is updated successfully, you are good to go. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.